Muggers work in the rain or the cold, the way it is on 11th Avenue when winter's a slice of ice blowing off the Hudson, an icy scalpel that pares you down to a flounder fillet. The hookers do, in their hot pants and frozen smiles. How about a party, honey? They sing out to the horny cars drifting by like ice floes. I don't know, but I've been told Eskimo pussy's mighty cold, comes the drunken antiphon. Muggers get a better class of clients all the way around. A mugger has a choice. On a day like this, a mugger can take a holiday. A mugger can stay home and curl up in front of the TV all day, or maybe get around to some Proust. A hooker has to take whoever comes. A hooker has to hustle, pure and simple. On a January day, when cold rain grinds your beard and lashes, when Johns are hard to come by, and even the Japanese tourists try to keep their Nikons dry, a hooker has to pose like a pinup underneath the overpass at 30th and 10th, and pray to God that she's the chosen one.